I'm Sabra. Welcome back to Cocktail Corner with the Spirit Seers. Today we are going to make the Pamplemousse tonic. We'll make it sound fancy today. So I have a grapefruit and I'm just going to cut it in half. And I'm going to take the more mangled side and cut it into quarters. And then we are going to stir this drink. So I'm going to juice it kind of the messy way, just into our stirring glass. Okay. So the rest of this drink is super easy past that point, and that part's not too bad either. So we are going to add 2 ounces of gin, and I've had requests for recipes using Temple of the Moon gin from Water Pocket, so here's another one. So we're going to add 2 ounces to the stirring glass. And if you've not had this gin yet, it is very floral. And when you add it to tonic, it just opens right up and becomes sweet and kind of has a lavender rosemary flavor. Then we have our new weapon that's amazing from Bar Daddy. It's their tonic syrup. This is a total game changer for the tonic. So, and a little bit of this goes a long way. So I'm just gonna do a bar spoon. And you can buy this at Caputo's, or you can order it online at caputos.com. They're a local family-owned shop in Salt Lake, and they have an amazing selection of everything. So let's add some ice to this. The trick with stirring glass is you're not only cooling the drink, you're also diluting it just a little bit. So you want to stir long enough for the ice to start melting down. Okay. So I have my lowball glass, and before I pour my drink in there, I'm going to take a slice of grapefruit. I'm going to cut it in half again, and then quarters. I'm just going to kind of put a couple pieces in there opposite of each other. I'm going to put some ice in the glass. Now we are going to strain our drink into the lowball. Now, since most tonic is fizzy, but we've had the syrup, I'm going to add a little bit of champagne for the fizziness. You can do club soda if you want. It's not my favorite in adding to a recipe because it just waters it down. So if I can use champagne, I'd rather use that. Okay. Let's see how this is. That's really good. So you get the bitter from the gin and the grapefruit, but it's not overpowering on either one. And then you get a like salty flavor from the tonic syrup. So it's like a really good balance of a little bit of sweet, the bitterness, and then the salty from the tonic. So this is a great any time of the year cocktail. So cheers and enjoy, and we'll see you again.